Do you sell personalized products such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and more in your online shop? Are you tired of spending too much time creating product images? Then we have exactly the right tool for you, ProductPictureBuddy. ProductPictureBuddy helps you create multiple product images in a very short time, with minimal effort and just a few clicks. Step 1. Upload your templates. Step 2. Upload your design. Step 3. Review your images. Choose the preview size that works best for you, or view each image individually in the Zoom preview. Step 4. Now it is time to create your product images. Simply click on Activate Design. The design can now be edited freely. You can place the design wherever you want and resize it as needed. Step 5. Review your finished product images. Is the design positioned correctly? If so, it is now time to save all your images with just one click. This saves you a great deal of time. By clicking the Download Zip button, your new product images will be saved to any location you choose. Your first product image is now ready. Now go to the selected Save location, extract the zip file, and you are done. Take a look at your newly created product images, all created in just a short time. If you want to grow your online shop quickly and efficiently, order your new helper, ProductPictureBuddy, now.